What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the GOODaaa. In this review, we have the GOODaaa, the GOODaaa, however they pronounce this brand. It's kind of weird, but it's GOODaaa power bank. And this is a wireless charging power bank. This is a solar charging power bank. And it says it has up to 45,800 milliamps of built-in battery. Let's go ahead and get into this. Wow, this thing is big. Wow, wasn't expecting that. So this is a good power bank to have with you, especially on the road trips, if you're out camping and stuff like that, or if you're like me and always outside doing lawn work, or you're just doing work outside in general. Whatever it may be, this may be a good power bank for you. So right here you have your solar panel right here. All right, and you have these nice orange, it feel like orange grippers, but it's plastic though. It's not, let me see, is it plastic or rubber? No, feel like it's like a mixture of it. All right, now on here you have a compass. Don't know if you need a compass anymore. You know, we in the GPS era. Well, we've been in the GPS era a long time, but I guess it's kind of good to have a compass, especially if you're the type that don't really want your phone out while you're out camping and stuff. Now, on the back, which is the most interesting part, you have a wireless charger right here. You have 4 different wires of charging. You guys, this is amazing. So right there you have your USB. You have your micro USB, you have your USB type C, and then the most infamous, the Apple charger, you guys. That we have the Apple charger. Now I'm not sure if the iPhone 15 does the lightning charge anymore. I kind of left Apple this year, so I probably not going back to Apple unless it's, you know, I have an Apple laptop, and you know, I'm thinking about getting a tablet or iPad, whatever you want to call it. I'm thinking, okay. I'll get into the reason why I left Apple later. But anyways, there we go. You got those different ways of charging, and we flip around, we have the power button right here. Okay. All right, so you have this little rubber boot right here. You open that, and they have this little crank. It says hand generator. You do have a part right here where it says USB. So we go ahead and flip that down. And right here, you have your outputs and your inputs, okay? So you have a USB type C input, and then you have a USB type C output. You have a USB output port 1, USB output port 2. And that's when you have this that comes into play where you can charge it up. Once again, this is a way to charge it. Let the sun hit the panels directly. All right. And the other way to charge it is through your outlet. And then it wirelessly charged. Let's see. Do I got it? Oh, I gotta turn it. I'm gonna turn it on. And it's wirelessly charging. Perfect. So I leave it right there. I can wirelessly charge it, or I can go ahead and charge it through your charger wire right here. And it says it supports fast charge up to 100, not 100, sorry, up to 15 watts of fast charging. Now I know to some people now 15 watts fast charging, 15 watts is nothing. 15 watts is a little something. It's better than a 5-watt little block charger, you guys. Those things will take forever to charge your phone. Or maybe when this is dead, maybe you could use the hand crank. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. This will be gifted out to a family member. So if y'all have any other questions, I will ask the person that we're giving it to those questions, and they will let me know how to operate everything, or how is it working out so far. Other than that, you guys, that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.